Let's talk about the organic eggs from Costco. Now, the packaging will be different. It depends on what Costco you go to. But anyway, make a long story short, they're in this. They do not come in a cardboard box. I put my Costco eggs inside of containers like this that I've already purchased. I just get them out of the plastic, recycle the plastic. I just prefer, no matter, I mean, they're in a shell, but anyway, I just like this better than plastic. But let's get to the Costco eggs and the labeling. So different Costcos will sell different items, or sometimes they'll bring them in when you think they're the normal pasture raised that you've purchased before. Make a long story short, these ones were purchased just today in Costco at a Colorado location at Costco. These are organic eggs, pasture raised, 24 eggs, grade A. Okay, this was purchased in California, and sometimes they make their way to the Colorado branches as well. You think they're pasture raised, they are organic. Yes, but they're free range. There is a difference. If I had to pick between both of them, you want organic pasture raised, not free range. Now, they are both certified organic feed, no hormones or antibiotics, vegetarian fed with no animal byproducts. They both say that, but once again, free range are just going to be a little bit different. Okay, so when it says free range, they might have outdoor access, but they might not even use the outdoor access, meaning that they could stay in their cages the whole entire time, or like have, anyway, the square footage, like you'll look at some boxes, like let me show you this one. This box is from Sprouts. Let me show you kind of their wording that Costco doesn't use, but Sprouts does. So these are pasture raised organic as well, but there is 108 square feet of outdoor space per hen. Now that doesn't necessarily mean in certain situations. So again, do your own research. Sometimes if they're cage free or whatever, it might say like, hey, they're cage free, but you know, the chickens don't even go outside. Again, if you are in between the two of them, obviously the best is going to be your organic pasture raised eggs. So just a little heads up for you on that one, because they do get a little sly. Some Costcos will slip it in, slip it out, and again, you just reach for it thinking it's your organic pasture raised. Next thing you know, I got home one time from Colorado. Typically, I always get this, and I was like, hey, these are free range, they're not pasture raised. But in California, this is all they had. They didn't even have pasture raised, and vice versa with California. I actually just got back from a trip, and they had, actually, let's go look at the chicken right now. Okay, so again, this is the Colorado Costco, and this is not air chilled. This has been getting a lot of flack on social media recently. In California, their organic chicken breasts are air chilled. It literally says right on it, air chilled, where these are in like a bath to chill them. Let's go ahead and see. Right here, it says, with up to 3% water retained from chilling process. So again, that's getting a lot of flack on social media recently. Now, what I do understand is you can actually purchase the air-chilled ones online and have them shipped to you. That's what someone did say on one of the social media posts. Anywho, what I'm getting at is Costco's are different. In California, once again, I bought all my organic chicken breasts. Right here, big label, it said air chilled. I prefer that much better than with up to 3% water retained from chilling process. Again, air chilled is better. So if you have the option, again, pasture raised organic eggs, air chilled chicken. Thank you guys for watching. My name's Chris. I'll see you on the next video.